Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage with Lufthansa. First, open any browser and visit the official Lufthansa website. Select Book and Prepare, then click on Baggage. Scroll down until you see the baggage calculator and select Book Additional Baggage. Now scroll down again to view the general terms and conditions and find the section on excess baggage. Now select Book an additional piece of baggage under My Booking. Enter your travel ID or booking code to add extra baggage to your flight. There you have it. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.